In real estate, timing is everything. But what if you could close deals faster, manage properties effortlessly, and make smarter investment decisions, all powered by AI? At AIVorys, we make that a reality. Let's see how AI is reshaping the industry, one department at a time. First stop, sales. Imagine AI generating detailed property summaries, identifying market demands, and transforming buyer data into targeted sales strategies. It's not just about selling homes, it's about selling the right home to the right buyer at the right time. Managing properties? Simplified. AI generates real-time occupancy reports, optimizes listings across platforms, and uses tenant feedback to enhance satisfaction. Less hassle, more happy tenants. Marketing made easy. From crafting engaging social media campaigns to analyzing email performance, AI helps you reach the right audience with the right message every time. It's marketing that works while you sleep. Want insights? AI delivers. It analyzes market trends, economic factors, and property values across regions, turning raw data into actionable strategies. Because smart decisions start with smart data. Legal compliance doesn't have to be complicated. AI reviews legal requirements, updates contracts, and ensures you're always in line with the latest regulations. Less paperwork, more peace of mind. Real estate is about people, properties, and potential. With AI, you're not just managing transactions, you're creating opportunities. Ready to elevate your real estate business? AIVorys, transforming real estate with AI solutions. Visit us at AIVorys.com. Like our video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on how AI can transform your business.